Yeah, the Rally Finland is very special, not only because more than 500,000 spectators come and create a fantastic atmosphere. It's also the stages are fluent, they are quick, and with speed over 130 kilometers per hour average, and the big jumps. And I think that also the big fights of the drivers, everybody wants to win the Rally Finland. It will make it a very special rally. I think the chances for our team should be quite intact because Sebastian won here last year. And he wants to repeat, so he will be competitive for sure. And Jari-Matti is his home rally, he wants to win and he won it before. But also the other drivers, especially the Scandinavian drivers, will be very fast because they are used to this kind of environment. And I'm sure we will see a very, very interesting rally with lots of good fights. I think Sebastian is leading with 50 points, but I don't think that will be a decision during that rally if the gaps are close. So the 50 points is by far less than 2 rallies, and everything can happen, and there are still 6 rallies to go. So I don't think that he is still in a comfort zone. Ja, ich denke, dieses Jahr die Chancen stehen sicher nicht schlecht. Einmal der Sebastian hat hier letztes Jahr gewonnen. Er möchte seinen Sieg wiederholen, er ist sicher konkurrenzfähig. Jari-Matti hat die Rallye Finnland auch schon gewonnen. Es ist seine Heimrallye. Es sollte dann einen Heimvorteil haben. Und ich denke, wir sehen einen tollen Kampf zwischen den beiden. Aber auch andere skandinavische Fahrer, wie zum Beispiel der Hirvonen, wollen natürlich auch ihre Heimrallye gewinnen. Und ich denke, es wird eine spannende Rallye, nicht nur zwischen unseren beiden Fahrern. Ja, ich glaube, Sebastian führt zwar mit 50 Punkten, aber die können auch schnell weg sein. Das sind keine 2 Rallyes und es sind noch 6 Rallyes zu fahren und da kann noch sehr viel passieren. Und ich denke nicht, wenn der Unterschied dann klein ist, dass da eine Vorentscheidung ist. Der Jari-Matti wird weiter kämpfen.
Yeah, I think they can expect, like always, a big show. I believe that it's the most beautiful rally to watch as a spectator because it's quite impressive with a lot of speed, big jumps, and every people I know who came here to watch the rally were very happy and enjoy a lot the experience. So yeah, I think once again that it will be nice for them. Maybe some rain is coming, so in this case it's not that's good, but yeah, it will be once again a great race, and myself, I'm really happy to be at the start once again. I don't know, like always, I was not any secret, but it was for sure a great experience and I really enjoyed this moment. Now I want even more and try to make it again, but yeah, it will be obviously a tough job. My teammate, especially Jari-Matti, is really motivated, so it might be the toughest to win this weekend, to beat this weekend, sorry, but yeah, don't forget the other Finn, which are always motivated at home, and also my other teammate Andreas, which was really fast in Poland on a similar kind of rally. Yeah, I love it. It's one of my favorite ones. I always have a lot of pleasure to drive here. It's at the same time a lot of adrenaline because you need to be really focused and really concentrate. It's not so much room for mistake, and at the high-speed stage, you don't want to go out and to go off in the trees. So it's yeah. Up to now, I never went off in Finland, but yeah, touch. And I don't want, yeah, I hope it will never happen. Une fois de plus, je pense que ça va être un beau rallye. C'est toujours une belle fête ici. Les fans sont nombreux, les locaux, mais aussi de toute l'Europe, parce que c'est un des plus beaux rallyes à voir en tant que spectateur. D'un point de vue personnel, je suis content d'être au départ. C'est un de mes favoris. J'adore rouler ici. Encore plus après la pause du mois de juillet, c'est vrai qu'on est content de remonter dans la polo et on va faire notre mieux pour essayer de revivre l'expérience qu'on a eue l'année dernière. Gagner le rallye, c'est un moment spécial pour moi. J'espère pouvoir reconnaître ce genre de feeling à l'avenir.
It's very high because, of course, it's a rally which you're on the home ground, you want to win. There's a lot of people who are supporting you, and it's been a long time when this rally has been won by a Finn. The atmosphere is the greatest in the championship. You have a very well organized event and a very fast stages over the jumps, over the crests inside the forest. And these elements, when they are together, makes it very special. I mean, you should not think about the risk, but you need to know. You need to have the level that you know that you have the speed enough that if you go over that, then you can't keep it on the road. Let's say you need to know your limit, but you should not be afraid of the risk. But you need to have a sensible mind where the limit goes. You need to be very confident with the car. You need to be confident with yourself. Enjoy the driving. Stay relaxed. Of course, there's a bit of advantage. I mean, because we have a great Finnish spectators supporting us, it gives a lot of motivation, and you have a little bit. You know how the characteristics of the roads are. But on the other hand, of course, you have the negative side that you will have more pressure on the home event. You don't need to change the physical side, but mental side, yes, because it's so high-speed event and everything is happening so quickly that you need to be able to adapt things. That the speed doesn't come you as a surprise. That you can still enjoy the driving when you drive fast. Stage called Myhinpää, driven on Sunday. I have been waiting it to drive it again for 4 years. Totta kai motivaatio korkealla, haluan pärjätä kilpailussa. Pitkä aika sitten, kun täällä on viimeksi voitettu, suomalainen on voittanut ja sitä kautta niin tietysti oma intressi on korkealla ja tietysti yleisön intressi on korkealla, niin sanotaan näin, että motivaatio on kyllä ihan niin kuin sillai 100%. Se, että parhaiten järjestetty kilpailu paljon niin kuin, tai yleisö tuo sen tunnelman tässä kilpailuun. Ja sitten kun mennään nopeita teitä hyppyjen ylitse tuolla metsässä, niin nämä kun yhteen laitetaan, niin se tekee tästä kilpailusta erilaatuisen kuin muista kilpailusta. No ei riskejä tarvitse pelätä, mutta se, että sun täytyy tietää missä raja menee. Jos et tiedä missä raja menee, niin se on huono juttu. Et silloin niin pelätä ei saa, mutta terve järki pitää siinä olla, missä raja kulkee. Nauttia ajamisesta, auto pitää olla kunnossa, rento fiilis ja ei muita ajatuksia. Totta kai se, että kun sulla on pikkusen etua siinä mielessä, että yleisö kannustaa sua, niin se auttaa tekemään niin kuin parasta suoritusta tässä kilpailussa. Ja sitten se, että sä vähän niin kuin tiedät, minkälaiset toi tietyyppi ja olosuhteet on Suomessa, mutta totta kai se myös tuo sen negatiivisen puolen siinä mielessä, että se luo sulle vähän myös painetta. Fyysisesti sun ei tarvitse muuttaa mitään, mutta mentaalisesti se, että sä pystyt niin kuin sopeutumaan siihen kovaan vauhtiin, se on se tärkein juttu, koska se, että se ei pääse sua yllättämään se vauhti. Myhinpään erikoiskoe, joka ajetaan sunnuntaina mun suosikki, ja olen odottanut sitä 4 vuotta, että päästään taas ajaan siellä.
Well, for sure, it's a special event. Finland is probably the one rally in the world which you kind of have a little bit of love-hate relationship to, because if you come here with high confidence, then the rally is fantastic. But if you're low on confidence when you get there, you hate it because it's so fast, and you really need big confidence. I need that to be absolutely perfect. The relationship between a driver and co-driver, especially on this event with all the crest and so high speed, you really need to trust each other. So here this needs to work 100%. I think will be more difficult than Poland was, because in Poland the rally was new for everyone. In this rally a lot of people have experience, and I think it will be difficult to challenge as I did in Poland, but the feeling is good, so we will definitely try. Nei, Finland er et ekstremt rally. Det går så sinnssykt fort, og du må være så tøff her for å kjøre fort. Og vi kommer med mye bra resultater i det siste fra Polen, hvor vi fighter om seier, så følelsen er god i hvert fall, og det hjelper mye på det løpet her. Så jeg sitter med en veldig god følelse før start.